Healthy gardens rarely depend on expensive fertilizers. Very often, the most effective solutions come from simple natural processes like fermentation and soil preparation. When organic materials are allowed to break down slowly, they release nutrients in forms that plants can absorb easily. At the same time, they feed beneficial microbes that keep the soil active and productive. In this video, we'll explore two practical gardening methods. One is a fermented liquid plant booster made from banana peels, and the other is a simple way to prepare nutrient-rich planting, holes before the growing season begins. Let's begin with the first method, fermented banana peel plant booster. In this method, we will create a natural liquid fertilizer using banana peels. This fermented solution helps strengthen roots, improve leaf growth, and support flowering and fruit production. Start by collecting the peels from about 6 to 8 bananas. Place them in a blender and add just enough water to help the blades move smoothly. Blend the peels into a thick paste. A thick mixture is ideal because it keeps nutrients concentrated and ferments more effectively. Once the paste is ready, take 2 containers such as plastic jars or buckets. Add a small amount of water to each container, then divide the blended paste evenly between them. Stir well so the mixture spreads evenly and no large lumps remain. Now we prepare 2 different fermentation versions. In the first container, add a small amount of unpasteurized milk. And mix thoroughly. Milk introduces beneficial microbes and nutrients that help create a biologically active plant booster. In the second container, dissolve brown sugar in water. And add this sugar solution to the mixture. Brown sugar feeds natural microbes and accelerates the fermentation process. After mixing, cover both containers with a cloth instead of sealing them tightly. The cloth allows gases produced during fermentation to escape while preventing insects from entering. Place the containers in a cool, shaded area and leave them undisturbed for about 3 weeks. During this time, natural microbes break down the organic material, releasing nutrients and forming a rich, fermented liquid. After a few weeks, the mixture will appear darker and more liquid. This means the fermentation process is complete. To use it, pour some of the liquid into a bucket and dilute it with water. The solution is strong, so dilution makes it safe for plants. Apply the diluted liquid around the base of your plants so it reaches the roots. With regular use, plants often show greener leaves, stronger growth, and better flowering. This simple fermentation method turns kitchen waste into a powerful natural plant booster. Method number 2, preparing nutrient-rich planting holes. The second method focuses on preparing the soil before planting season begins. Instead of waiting until spring, we can prepare deep planting holes in advance and fill them with organic materials that slowly break down underground. Start by cleaning the garden area. Remove weeds, stones, and plant debris so the soil surface is clear and easy to work with. Next, mark the planting spots according to the mature size of the crops you plan to grow. Proper spacing allows each plant to develop a strong root system and improves airflow between plants. Now dig deep holes at each marked location. These holes should be larger than normal planting holes because they will become nutrient reservoirs beneath the soil. At the bottom of each hole, add fruit and vegetable scraps such as banana peels, apple pieces, or vegetable skins. Buried deep in the soil, these materials decompose slowly and feed beneficial microbes and earthworms. Next, add crushed charcoal. Crushing the charcoal increases its surface area, allowing it to absorb nutrients, moisture, and beneficial microorganisms. Over time, the charcoal releases these nutrients gradually, helping the soil remain fertile. After that, cover the materials with a layer of compost or partially decomposed manure. This layer helps connect the organic materials with the surrounding soil and supports microbial activity. Once the hole is filled, cover it with soil and leave it until planting season arrives. During this waiting period, microbes and soil organisms will break down the organic materials, transforming them into nutrient-rich soil. By the time spring arrives, these holes become natural feeding zones where plant roots can access a steady supply of nutrients. This method concentrates fertility exactly where plants grow, improving efficiency and reducing the need for additional fertilizers.